Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your headphones OPPO Enco Buds 2. Firstly, you have to start by put your headphones to the charging case, close the case. After that, open it again. Now we have not connected yet, and open it again. And it should help you, but if it didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. So just remove your headphones from the charging case, and after that press and hold both of connectional buttons on your headphones for at least 15 seconds. Cool. Now, put your headphones to the charging case, click the information icon or settings icon, then forget this device, forget device. Now if you have Android, also click pair new device. And after that, click on your headphones at the charging list. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!